In this video, I will show you a binary option strategy that will help you increase your balance by 10 times even if you don't have capital or trading knowledge. Even if you have $10, $50 or $100 in your pocket, you can try this strategy because it gives the most accurate signals with a minimum percentage of risk. Today I will give you clear instructions on how to look for these signals and get the maximum benefit. So guys, let's get started. So today we will do real market review. We will look for the best points to enter trade. In the process I will explain why we will open a trade up or down in this or that place. So we're going to use a few different tools. And let's look at the various tools that will assist us in finding an entry point. Now we're trading view in order to break down a few of the points and tools on this side. Then we'll go over to Quartex and open a couple trades, so we're good to go. And right now at the moment I have the RSI indicator open. What does it even show us? And it shows us that the chart movement in the form of a line. Here we also have an upper boundary and a lower boundary, which is called an overbought zone and the oversold zone. And when the line goes beyond these zones, it shows that it's possible to open a deal on decrease, for example, in this place. And if the line goes over the lower boundary, over the oversold zone, then we can open a deal on the upside. And here we have it shown in this indicator. So well, and also even without these inscriptions, you can see the price has reached the upper or lower boundary. It pushes away from it and goes in the opposite direction. On the chart, this movement is similarly repeated. And here we see a point, a place where the price is already starting to make its reversal. And on the RSI indicator, we also see that the line has reached the lower boundary. And further, it's going to reverse. So we could open a trade on the spot and make money, and after, of course, take our profit. So it looks like we can also not look at some other tool. For example, we have Fibonacci levels. I will now highlight the range in question, and here, for example, is what it looks like. Guys, if you have watched up to this point, then most likely you're really interested in the topic of trading. Therefore, I will take the opportunity to remind you about my trading community, which is now turning into a whole trading academy with a lot of trading materials, useful content, analysis strategies, and trading signals for both beginners and experienced traders. So it's all absolutely free. It's all done especially for you. That's why be sure to follow the link in the description and check it for yourself. And let's back to our topic. At first glance, it looks quite complicated, but in fact there is nothing complicated here. We select from the upper boundary, from here, to the lower boundary, approximately where we have the price starts to perform its reversal. This is how it looks, and here the lines are automatically drawn up. The boundaries in which we can open and conclude deals and take our profit. So it's all analyzed in real time, and that is from almost every border we have the price pushes off and goes in the opposite direction. And right now here we see that yes, a certain trading corridor where we could work out our trades and make really good money. Now I'm going to show another tool here. On this range we can open the ruler tool and how this tool works. It's actually a very handy tool to calculate our return percentage. Here, for example, in this range, we can highlight with this tool such a trading range in which we could take our profit. So guys, this automatically shows the percentage of return we could have earned, and this tool works both days. If we open a down trade, this range looks red. And here we also see that by now, or by how many percentage, our price has gone down. So this is how it all looks like, so you can analyze the market in real time. So guys, I would also like to know that on our Telegram channel we analyze in detail how to use trading signals, trading strategies and different trading tools, and also since we have trading materials in addition to signals, and you can come and sign up. But at this point we're going to go to the Cortex site and make some trades. So we're going to the Cortex website, and here we have a couple of indicators open, and based on these indicators we can open trades and make really good money. So we're good to go and looking for appropriate situations that fit our trading strategy. And here, for example, I see a good situation in this location. This is where I opened for promotion. In this place I opened a trade on the upside because according to the Williams indicator, here we have a line already going up, so the trade was opened in the same direction. So look at this guys, our first trade is working out perfectly and closing in the plus side. We have over $1,000 in my balance and we're changing the amount of our deal. So this indicator is very similar to the RSI indicator, it follows the same exact movement of the chart, which is why we're using it today. It also guys helps us analyze the graph. Here open on the downside, the general price movement in the place is moving downward. It can be clearly seen by the indicator zigzag. As for the Williams indicator, here we see that the line has gone beyond the overbought zone, which indicates that it will further push away from it and go in the opposite direction. So well dear friends, the deal closed in the plus and we take your profit. The balance is over $2,000 already and we can change the amount of our deal and continue to look for those situations that fit our strategy. So here dear friends, look in this place, I see a really good situation, and here in open on the upside, here you can notice that our overall price movement is moving upwards, and Williams indicator tells us that we have a line here already pushing away from the lower boundary and going in the opposite direction. So the deal was open on the upside. Well done dear friends, our deal works out perfectly and closed in the plus again. Just look at the balance, already over $4,000 in my account, and we can change the amount of our trade. And open a now trade. So looking for the situation that works for us. And I see a good situation at this point. We see the price is already starting to make a reversal and open in this place on the downside. The Williams indicator is also telling us that we have a further line going to reverse and go down. So that's why we opened the deal in the same direction. Alright guys, look at that, almost $7,000 on my balance, a really good amount. I think we can generally stop there. Everything it's really great trading day, and took apart a few trading tools and also a few trading indicators. We have sorted out how to analyze charts in real time in general and max out our deposit from $700 to almost $7,000 in accounts right now. So guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel and like it. I really appreciate your activity. Develop, believe in yourself, and remember that small steps are the main key to success. So see you soon.